Hey guys, this is Parth. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to create this. We will not use any professional softwares to create this amazing intro. Isn't it cool? And this is all free and you don't need to have any knowledge of graphics or any animation skills to create this one. All you need to have is just basic computer knowledge and internet connection. So without any further ado, let's the fun begin. Go to your browser and search for panzoid.com. Open the website and you will see these templates to create intros, backgrounds, outros or lower thirds. Choose any template you like and click Open in Clipmaker. So this is your workplace. This is basically your menu. You can select any option and make any changes you want. For changing text, select Object and find for text. Type your name or name of your channel and press Enter key on your keyboard. Now make sure you change the name on every text object you find on this list. You can change its color, size and dimension also. You will find all the options down here. Make all the changes you want and play the animation. This is not looking good, I know, because this is not the final output. To see the final output before rendering the video, just to be sure, you can click on this I button down here and then play the animation. It will show up the pre-rendered preview of the animation you created. Now this looks fine to me. Now here in this FX panel, you will find many effects which you can add or make changes to already added ones. We will not go through it right now. So moving forward to the camera option here. Here you don't need to make any changes. Next is the audio panel. Here you can change or add the music you want. I will go with the default one here. Now comes the final part. Actually, not the final one, because I missed one at the beginning, and that is this basic panel. Basic panel allows you to select the resolution of your video, frame rates and length of the video too. After setting this, just go to the download panel here and select your video render mode. I don't think this needs an explanation. These are all self-explanatory. Select the format and click on Start Video Render. This will take time depending upon the quality you have selected and also on your internet speed obviously. After the completion of render process, click on download and your video will start to download. Thank you guys for watching this. Hit the like button if you found it useful. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.